Pwede ba nilang i-prosecute yung impeachment case na isinampa ng dating Kongreso? Hindi pwede. Mga minamahal na kababayan. Kasi yung impeachment case na kanilang isinampa, ginawa po yan ng papaalis ng Kongreso, yung dating Kongreso. And all pending matters in the House of Representatives, bills, resolution, or any other matter for that purpose, including the impeachment case that was filed, transmitted, and referred to the Senate of the Philippines, is a pending matter that is also considered automatically terminated when Congress goes in recess sine die on June 30. Kaya itong bagong Kongreso, hindi siya pwedeng mag-prosecute ng isang bagay na non-existent na. Wala na yun eh. Ano pag i-prosecute mo kung yung dating isinampa ay wala na? Dahil yung final na impeachment case, ang nagsampa po niyan ay yung dating Kongreso. So you cannot prosecute something that is already